Same way so. So the next one we have is dress, you know? Jamaican say Jess. A J, that's a big proud. It's the middle. Split in the middle. You know that, right? Miggle. Welcome everybody. So it's a girl Kellen today. I'm back again in the next YouTube video. So I'm back with part 2 how Jamaican mispronounce words. So before I get into this video, you don't know you don't know routine, you don't know strategy, right? So like, comment, subscribe, and match up the cram cards. Yeah, what that? So before I get into this video, you know what to do. My ear says subscribe free.
It's free. It's free.
Red button that says subscribe. Why still red? That means somebody else subscribe then. Match up the crime and do that, make we get straight in that video. Only me wait pan. So hurry up, make we start the video. The first one we have is house, right? House. I live in a house. You know my house is that color. Jamaicans say house.
Oh Lord.
House. I always start with where H I go. You remember it was house. You can't hear or the H pronounce at the front. When I deal with that, a house to deal with, right? So you don't know what big prod with us, you know. And I see how we call it. What a business, us. The next one I have is true. That's the truth or true. True attack. Jamaican say true. Jamaican say true. Like you say, go true, my general. No. Jamaican say true. But truth I go or true. What that I go? True. What a business. Same is dress, you know. Beautiful dress a princess wear, yeah. Right at them ankle, beautiful. Right, come out with the pump on your head top. Dress. You don't know shrubs. Jamaican say Jess. J right, that's a big proud. Jess. Where dress I go? Where dress I go? A Jess. Yeah, and we big proud and now I do it same way so. Where them just short, sweet and make sense. And where use them they. For example, the car is moving or I'm in the car. You feel me? The THE. Jamaican say. You want to hear a Jamaican say? Jamaican say D-R-E. D-R-E. But D-R-E. Where's the I go? Where's the car is moving? A car move E. In or D. Same way so. The next one I have is the middle. Split in the middle. You know that, right? I'm in the middle of the car. Right. Middle. Center. Middle. Whatever. Jamaican say Miggle. Miggle. Go. What middle I go? When I deal with the, I go. Just like noodle. You know, just like you got noodles. Jamaican say noodle. Never hide. So the next one here, you move me out dog. Water. Water. You know what Jamaican say? Water. Big proud and not them tell you how them confident in their word. Them put it on buckle. That's how confident we is. You feel me? We love the word and the same way we just put it up out there. Same way we pronounce it. So if them spell water like that on buckle, who is me for going to exam and write W-A-T-E-R? The next one I have, you know, you got $100, $50, $60, $70. We deal with money right now, you feel me? So the next one I have is $50. You know, I got $50. You know, Jamaican $50 can't buy nothing. You know, Jamaican call it $50.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Like a $50. Like, what is $50? Like, I saw them pronounce it and they never did a play. So the word is $50. So the next one we have is certificate. You know, certificate. What is certificate? You know, so certificates or documents. You know, we deal with past paper. We pay for them, whatever. Figure a foreign school business certificate. You need that. You feel me? So, certificate, Jamaican call it certificate. Certificate. Yeah, right, true, right. That's a big and bold and proud. Big and bossy with it. Certificate. See where so it was certificate. No, we don't deal with that. What certificate I go? It's certificate.
Oh Lord.
I don't know who make up the word like you know, the word that exists long before me still. So you know, I wouldn't know. Shoot, to ask ancestors. I don't know. But the next one I have is down. You know, I'm going down the hill or gas oil I go down. I don't know about gas oil. Let me think. But just I try make a sentence with it down. You feel me? Son about to come tell me the gas oil now go down. We don't know about gas oil. You feel me? Alright, so down. Like I'm going down the hill. Our body drop down. What? Our body drop down. Our body drop down. What? Anyways, down. Jamaicans, hold on, I'm put on my lip gloss. Look a lip gloss for this guy. Down now. Urgent. This is not the playback. So down meaning down. You feeling me? Down. She's going down the hill. Gas oil going down. I don't know what going with gas oil. Me just make a sentence as I said before. Okay, so down. Jamaican said, say, well we, cause we said this. If you have a problem, you're lucky. Down. Me I go down the hill. Yeah, me I go down the yard. Somebody have corona. Me not even speak on that. Like how people them over channel that go on when if corona whatever that go on, them drop down. You feel me? Pay a drop down, but me not see nobody a drop down out the door. Me not understand. Corona there. I like them a tell. Who knows? So the next one we have is weather. When I say weather, I mean like outside weather. Like it's really sunny. Like it feels hot. Me not tell me like you hot body. Feeling me? Me I sweat right now. Me like yeah, jeez, I'm pissed. Cause it well hot, fully hot. So the weather is sunny. You feeling me? Sunny, sweaty, peer sweat, fully hot. Beach there. Auntie now make we go beach. You feel? Right there. So it's wet. The weather is really hot. You feeling me? Sunny, rainy, whatever the weather is in your place. Just so you know what we say? We say weather.
God damn.
Weather. You know see weather. You know see weather outside down. You see weather. Weather. The weather hot, man, brother. What when I say weather hot? You'll be like, you know see weather. We can't go beach today and see weather. You know see rain soon come. You feel me? Oh gosh, that one now. Touch me in my soul, in my head back, in my back of my chest, in me. It touch me deep and dearly. It's do it, right? I'm gonna do it. Like you. If you say I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna subscribe to a channel, something like that. You feel me? Just a sentence. I'm gonna do it. You know what we say? Do it. One word. Please don't do it. Do it. You feel me? That's one word right there. Do it. And we even proud enough to put it in our commercial.
No dirty up Jamaica. Please don't do it. Keep we island clean. So clean. From the peaks to the beach. So clean. No dirty up Jamaica, please don't do it.
Put it in a commercial. No dirty up Jamaica, please don't do it. Alright, some go on to phone a while ago. So if this show a different angle, some go on to phone a while ago. So the next one we have is good evening. You feel me? Good evening. You know you walk when they say good evening Elder. You say Elder. You say good evening Elder. Good evening Rasta. Mama, evening Mama Evie. You feel me? So evening. So Jamaican we say evening. Vlin. I don't know if Lin come from, like violin. Vlin. I don't know where that come from, but it's just in there, feel me? So, you know, we can't do nothing about it because of Vlin, you know, go the Vlin. I eat that, you know? We can't undo the Vlin because the Vlin after dropping I eat Vlin, you feel me? So, yeah, I eat that right there. Yeah, so the next one we got is vegetables. You know, vegetables, you gotta eat good, you gotta stay fit. Vegetables. You know what we say? General we, vegetable. Vegetable, yeah, that we say vegetable. We never did that right there, so we're big and proud enough. We say vegetable. We're not business pronunciation. That's how we pronounce it, vegetable. I in a class, a big proud. What's this word? Vegetable, that, yeah, vegetable. What is vegetable? What table I go? A vegetable. Brother. Jamaican pronounce it as brother. Oh my god. Brother. Wow. 6. My brother them now. Dog, you know. You feel me? So the next one we got is similar as brother is sister. You feel me? That's my sister. I got a big sister and a little sister. And me and sister. You feel me? So we pronounce it as sister. S-I-S-T-A. Sister and brother. Brother, end of the video. Something about the phone. I don't know what I'm going to them, but if you're to the NFV and subscribe, because I'm gonna reach my hand through the phone, I'm gonna slap you. Cause why not? Why? Like, you know, no money now to pay. You know, like free things. I have to do it. Subscribe. What's the order of that? That's all. It's free. I'm here say like free same way. You not have to pay $50, you not have to pay $100. Just do it. Do a massive crap. So look, man, thank you so much for watching this video. And share it to one of your giant friend them.